Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Andobil bike phone holder. It says bike, but really consider this a handlebar phone holder. Basically, it can be attached to the handlebar of a bike, a scooter, anything that has a handlebar or a bar, you could attach it to. It has really stable clamping, easy to install, and 360-degree adjustment. So let's get this open up and check out what comes in the box. All right, so this is the holder itself. And you can see you've got your instructions here that explain basically how it works. You've got both this way as well as this way, so there's a button on the back to open, so it can fit any size height and then any size width, and then you just push it to clamp down. When you're ready to let it go, you push that button. Now you can see that this is all rubberized and curved. You can see how this curves out, so it's going to hold your phone in there because this lip is going to curve out to make sure it stays in good on. It's like that on everywhere. I mean, everywhere you go, you've got top, bottom, and both sides. You've got ledges that will hold your phone in there and hold it tight. This back part is also rubber, so it's surrounded by rubber, so it's not against hard plastic, it's against rubber the entire time it's in there to keep it safe and sound. On the back here, besides that button you push to open up the arms, you've also got your ball joint, as you can see, with the lock and open indicator there. And let's take this other box out. This is going to be your clamp that holds on to the handlebar, be that on a bike or scooter. And you can see you've got that traditional ball mount, which this will go onto, and you can turn it any way you want to turn it. And then you've got this clamp that unscrews, and then you put it around that bar and tighten it down to keep it in place. And it also has rubber inside here, so that's really nice grippy rubber so that it will hold tight to your bike or your scooter handlebar. It'll grip once it's on there, it's not coming off. So really excellent design there on that. Anyway, that's going to be it for the unboxing. That is everything that comes in the box. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, keep up with future product reviews, including a full product review and demonstration of this in action. And yeah, if you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.